Hi there, hello there. I'm just going to make a short film showing my 2006 Harley Davidson VRSCD Night Rod. I've only had the bike just a couple of weeks. Love it, it's a beautiful machine. I'm just not happy with the sound it makes. It's really quiet and not really overly impressed with the look of the stock exhaust. Apart from that, I don't really plan on changing anything. But the exhaust, it really has got to go. It is very, very quiet. One of my friends said, "Man, that sounds like a Japanese twin." At the end of the day, it's a Harley, and I want it to sound like a Harley. So I'm going to try and capture a before and after film. As it is now before, with the stock exhaust. I've bought a Danmoto Highwayman exhaust, which you can see over there in the box. I haven't unpacked it yet, which came today. I'm hoping to fit that, and then I'll film that to show you the difference in sound. I'm hoping to create some bass, because as it stands, it's a little bit tinny. Let me just fire it up so you can hear. As you can hear, there's no bass there, very quiet. Doesn't really sound like a Harley in my opinion, and they do stick out from the side of the bike way too far. So again, I'm hoping that the Danmoto will balance the look of the bike a bit more. Let me just give it a little bit more of a rev for you to get the idea. And there we are. So I'll see you later once I've changed the exhaust. Bye for now.